Hey, muy buenas a todos, chicos. Bienvenidos a un nuevo gameplay de The Walking Dead. El primer capítulo de la primera temporada. Bueno, aquí llegué en el principio. Lo vamos a jugar. Yo no lo he jugado porque nada más salió en PC. Y ya está, yo me he dado cuenta que salió para Android. Y dije, vamos a jugarlo. Sí, igual quiero gráficos de la PC. Se ve súper chingón. Es una dirigido por Sam Mana. Me voy a callar para que entiendan la historia.
Well, I reckon you didn't do it then.
Why do you say that?
Now, I've driven a bunch of fellas down to this prison. Lord knows how many. Usually it's about now I get the, I didn't do it.
Not for me.
'Cause guys in your position already said it enough.
Got what looks like a 1091 speed near Peachtree exit 25. All cars have to keep on the lookout for 91 speed in the area.
I followed your case a little bit, you being a Macon boy and all.
You've got an opinion then?
Wouldn't say that. I go in for that innocent till proven guilty thing, even considering who they say you killed.
Be advised, medical personnel en route to Hartsfield, various 10 to 20.
I got a nephew up at UGA. You teach there long?
Going on my 6th year.
You meet your wife in Athens? You want to know how I see it?
Not really.
Too bad. My car. You might have the right to remain silent, but it don't mean I gotta be. Regardless, could be you just married the wrong woman.
No sé si se puede. No sé si les...
I'm driving this man once. He was the worst one. He wouldn't stop going on about how he didn't do it. He was no soft eyed behind a pair of smart old glasses. He just wailing back there. Says it wasn't him. Crying and snotting all over right where you're sitting.
Officers are available for incoming 2-1.
Then before long, he starts kicking the back of the seat like a fussy baby on an airplane. And I tell him he's got to stop. That's government property, and I'll be forced to zap him otherwise. So he stops, and having exhausted all his options, he starts crying out for his mama. Mama, it's all a big mistake. It wasn't me.
So did he do it?
They caught the fucker red-handed, stabbing his wife, cutting her up as the boys came through the door. He sits in my car screaming bloody murder that it wasn't him. I think he actually believed it himself. It goes to show, people will up and go mad when they believe their life is over. I got another good one for you. This one's a little bit less depressing and a bit more hilarious if I do say so.
Oh, shit!
Oh, Sandy. patear, creo que tienes que patear el vidrio. Así. Y la última. Entonces allí por la ventana.
Need to drag myself out that window.
Esta bala porque no quiero hacer todo esto, no sé qué pasa. tengo que subir 3 videos seguidos de esto. Y pues nada. En el siguiente vídeo. Chao, chao.